Hi friends, if you are facing agent call log view, call log not allowed, so even if you have given rights to users, call log view, call log view, yeah, agent call log view override, yes, and it says showing user call log, yes will allow showing the user call log, default is disabled. This setting will override whatever the user group has set for agent call log view. Okay, but it is not overriding. Okay, what I will do, I will go to users group and give the rights. Admin. Basically, we have to allow in user group agent call where user is a member of the that group. That in that group we have to allow this one. Then it will start working. Close here, log out here, log in again here.
A person in this conference.
Now I can see the call logs. Let me dial a manual call. Okay, dialing. Let me hang up. No answer. Submit. Now I will see call log. You will be paused. Okay. View call log. Here you can see the call log. Thank you for watching.